Keeping firearms away from someone having a mental health crisis. That is the goal of a Senate bill that is now moving its way through the legislature. You're watching 8 News Now at 11. I'm Denise Valdez.
And I'm Brian Loftus. Domestic violence advocates believe it could also make things safer for some in vulnerable situations. 8 News Now anchor Sasha Loftus live in studio tonight. Sasha with more.
Denise and Brian, this is one of several gun-related bills moving through the legislature this session. Those backing it say it bridges the gap to protect a person and their family in the case of a mental health crisis, while those against it call it a violation. It's a pattern we see again and again.
This is a very tragic event.
Domestic violence that escalates to murder, many involving firearms.
Senate Bill 347.
Now, a bill moving its way through the Nevada Legislature could help.
Police officers should be empowered with the knowledge that they have the ability to do their jobs and keep the community safe.
Senate Bill 347 would allow police to temporarily confiscate guns from a person experiencing a mental health crisis who could be a threat to themselves or family members.
We generally support bills that help get guns out of the hands of dangerous people.
And SafeNest CEO Liz Ortenberger believes it could go a long way towards protecting those in domestic abuse cases.
Let's make the environment safer for the person who's experiencing that mental health crisis, but then also for the community around that person.
People against it claim the bill is too broad and shared concerns with due process and constitutional compliance.
In my eyes, a clear violation of the Second Amendment and the Fourth Amendment.
While those behind this call it a stopgap to help families suffering make it out safely.
To let them calm down, get the help that they need, and then be able to get their firearm back.
Now, those behind the bill did make several amendments. The most significant, the firearm must be on the person in question or in their immediate vicinity for police to confiscate it. Denise.
So, Sasha, SB 347 would also set provisions to how a person would actually get their gun back after officers took it away. Police could hold that gun as evidence for up to 30 days.